Creating accessible multimedia is essential for inclusivity. Let's dive into some key takeaways. First, for pre-recorded audio, it's crucial to provide a transcript. This helps everyone engage with the content. Next, if you're presenting live audio, make sure to include real-time captions, ensuring no one misses a word. For pre-recorded videos without audio, don't forget to add a text or audio description to clarify the visuals. When your video does include audio, offering captions and audio descriptions is vital for full understanding. In the case of live video, utilize live captioning to support your audience effectively. It's important to remember to avoid any flashing content that might trigger seizures, safeguarding all viewers. Lastly, ensure your audio is crisp and clear with minimal background noise to enhance the listening experience. By following these steps, you can make your multimedia content accessible to everyone.
Just about learning. It's about creating a more accessible world together. If you find these videos helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated. Thank you for joining us on this journey toward better web accessibility.